Galates in the streets. Where are you going? Where are you going? Stay in front. Stay in front of him.
Front fucking Malmanis. 101. Penetration from front. Jump switch. Come on, man. 2 points right now are crucial. We have to play it. We cannot play Cherry Lady to shoot the ball. No way. You have to follow him.
Fight, pushing, grab, he fouls, but no layup. Ya sé que es difícil, no puedes con Sally.
Si juegan un pase y hay un tiro de 2, me da igual que la metan, no hay 2 más 1.
Kyle, más duro dentro a sacar falta contra un pequeño. Small player, take ball. En ataque, blandito. Ante, blandito. Vladi, blandito. Venga, vamos a jugar más duros.
Quiero falta Kravitz. Si you are in front and you're receiving the ball, foul. Jugar falta y con Kravitz y que tiene tiros libres.
Lima, very bad foul shooter. So if they have Taylor, Lima pick and roll, he goes without being intentional. We gotta make a foul on Lima.
Alex, what's up with... No, tío, why does defender el corte? No me cuentes nada.
Nos estamos jugando la vida y nos cogen todos los rebotes. Todos los rebotes.
We don't play nothing in offense. We don't play nothing. Nothing.
We have seen what we cannot do. We watch it. Ya está. But this is done. It's up to us to recover now. We have to come on the court and show, boom, we are here. We are there. You can play whatever you want. I don't care. But you have to defense, rebound, and run.